In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door handle on your GMC K1500. This will be located inside of the door handle assembly. Let's get started. We're going to remove the trim piece around the door handle. To do this, we're going to use one plastic trim tool and pull back, pushing it towards us. We're going to go in, we're going to push down on the plastic clips. Pop the 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. We're just pushing up on them and remove the trim piece. Lift up on this trim piece right here. Slide it straight up. It'll slide off of this plastic clip. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws. We're going to lift up on the window trim piece, pull straight up. You could use a plastic trim tool if you'd like. This comes up pretty easy. Behind there, we're going to have a few connectors. The tab right here, push on that tab. Remove the connector. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver right above this tab and push down. And remove the connector. I'm pushing down on this tab right here to unlock it in the bottom. Using a trim tool, go around the door, popping off the clips. Once it starts hinging like this, we can lift it straight up and off. Don't pull it too far. This wire should be attached to this light right here. Ours is not. If yours is, go ahead and remove it out of the socket. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to go around and remove all 10 bolts around the outside. And we have one 10mm bolt right here on the bottom right. There's one right here under the speaker. Pull the panel forward. We don't need to fully remove the panel. You can if you'd like. To get a bit more room to work with the handle, we're going to pop these 2 rods out of the clips in the back. Push them out of the clips. We're going to pop the rods out of the handle and the lock. We're going to support the handle with our thumb and pull straight up on the rod. Pull it out. And on the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. Remove the two rods. There's a rivet going through the front of the handle holding it to the door panel. We're going to put a piece of tape over the back of this rivet so when we drill it out it doesn't fall into our door. Now we can go on the front side and drill that rivet out. We're going to drill out the head of our rivet. Grab the piece of tape that has our rivet in it. This will save you from looking for it inside of the door. Pull the handle forward and remove it from the door. We're going to remove our door handle from the handle assembly and use a flat blade screwdriver and open up the tab that is holding in the door handle. Pop it out on one side. Do the same thing on the other. Slide it through the slot in the back and remove the door handle. There's a supplied spring that we're going to install onto the door handle. Slide the door handle into the assembly. Make sure that the fingers of the springs are sitting against the assembly. Clip the door handle into the two clips. Test its function. We're also going to make sure that this clip is on the inside of that little dot. Install the clip into the top of the handle. Install the handle assembly into the vehicle. Line up all of the tabs around it. Pull it back towards the back of the door and it'll hold it in place. Now we can install our new rivet. We're going to install a rivet through the handle. Install the rods for the lock and the handle. Be sure that the rod for the handle is above the rod for the lock. Install the rods into their clips. Pull them into place and they'll snap in. Push the door panel back into place. You'll need to push down to get the actuator right here up and under the door panel. I'm going to start with the 10mm bolt on the bottom right side. Go around and install all of the 7mm bolts. Install the door panel down on top of the windowsill. Pull your harness up and out. Be sure that your connector is installed into the light. Clip the door panel into place all the way around. Install the connectors. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give them a pull. Make sure they're locked in. Install the switch piece with the lever in the front first. And clip it down into place. Install the Phillips head screws down through the top of the door. Snug them down. Install the plastic bezel. Slide the trim piece down and into place on top. Give it a pull out, make sure it's locked onto that clip, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.